Hey everyone, my name is Nicholas Dominici, and today I'm going to show you how to get Snap Games on Snapchat. This just came out, so first you want to swipe to someone, and you want to go into a group chat, or any chat. And at the bottom right, you'll see a little rocket ship icon. So if you tap that, you can press Bitmoji Party, or any other games that are there, and a little icon should pop up. And when you tap it initially, it'll pop up the game. So I'll leave this real quick. And you'll see there's a little icon in the bottom right that'll stay there. You can tap that if you want to play the game or your most recent game. So you just tap that, you go in, and you can play. Yeah, you'll enter a queue. If you're not in a group chat, you'll enter with random people. I won't load this game right now. Let me exit real quick. Yeah, and that's how you get Snap Games.